The authorities in Mexico are doing all they can. So far, it hasn't prevented the spread of what the World Health Organization says is a potential pandemic.
From April 13th, a total of 1,324 patients were admitted to hospital. They were or are currently being studied to determine if they have the illness. In the same period, 81 deaths were recorded, probably linked to the virus, but only in 20 cases we have the laboratory test to confirm it.
Public buildings are closed, events have been cancelled, hospital patients are even being sent home. We're taking him home due to the flu, says this man. We're taking him with us because we don't want him to get contaminated. The doctor signed the papers. It's easier for him not to catch the virus at home than here at the hospital. It is a new and unusual strain of swine flu, H1N1, a combination of bird, pig and human influenzas. The centre of the outbreak appears to have been around Mexico City, where the majority of the deaths have been. But there have also been cases in San Luis Potosi to the north and Oaxaca in the south. North of the border in the United States, people have been infected from San Diego in California to Dickinson County in Kansas and San Antonio in Texas. And in New York, 100 students who returned from Mexico with flu-like symptoms have just been tested for the strain.
What's concerning about this is, first, that it is likely swine flu. Second, that at this time it is spreading from person to person. We don't know if it will continue spreading from person to person.
The body that monitors disease within the US says the virus will spread and there's very little they can do about it. It's issued a list of precautions people can take, but has not advised against travel. Most of the reported cases affect those who have flown in or out of Mexico within the last few days. That's why countries around the world are being asked to step up surveillance. Officials are reviewing whether to raise the global threat level of a likely pandemic. Before that, they hope science or nature will find a solution. Greg Milam, Sky News, Washington.